Hey, what's up everyone? My name is Adnan Chaudhary from Vanchud Productions. Today's tutorial is based on my desktop because a lots of guys were asking about how I managed my desktop, like these rotating type things. So I have decided I have to create a video on my desktop. So let's get started. Basically, this is a program which is called Rainmeter. I think a lots of guys were already know about this. First of all, we should have to uninstall everything from my PC related to Rainmeters. Let's uninstall everything. See you after uninstallation. Welcome back. So I have uninstalled Rainmeter and all of its plugins, so you could get better idea how we can start from basic. This is basically the background which I have created in Photoshop. I will give you a tutorial about this, how we can design a wallpaper for Rainmeter. For the time being, we will just go to our browser for downloading Rainmeter. So this is the website, which is rainmeter.net, and you should just go to download this final release version. It will ask about download and it will take some time. Just save file. It is really light for your RAM. Okay, so it's done. Let's install that. Run. Okay, so we will install a standard installation. So next we will install it in default directory in C program files, and we will check on install 64-bit version if you have 64-bit version window, and launch on Rainmeter when we will start our PC, and let's install that. Okay, so we have installed this. Basically, this is the main and basic interface of Rainmeter. This is the date and time dock, and this is the system about CPU usage, RAM and swap, and this is the disk usage. You can simply click and drag it anywhere you want to drag it, like here. It will clap automatically with the second one which you have already dropped here. So it will create its own gap like here, or if you want here or more near. Okay, so for the time being I don't like to use these type of things, so just right click and click on unload skin, and the same method I will do for every dock. Okay, so it's unloaded. Now you can see that there is nothing affected on Rainmeter. So first of all, we will download its plugins. So it depends on you how you like to design this, but I've designed this on my way. So the first thing is we should have to download is Arcs, which is the center clock. So just go to this link. It's KailryDeviantArt.com and Arcs, and the link is given in the description bar. You can get direct link for download this thing. So for the time being we will click on download. It will redirect to confirmation and click on that again. Okay, so we will open it in Rainmeter. Simply it will install or download it, and now it will ask about how can we install this. So just click on install. Great, it's installed. You want to see that? Here it is. So for the management we will go to our Rainmeter and right click and go to manage. Simple thing. So as we know, we have downloaded Arcs. Open this Arcs. Basically it's it have two colors, in black and in white. So as we know, we have a black hole, so we will use a white arc. So for the white arc we will just click on this first one. It is a white colored clock. So click pay attention on this thing, that if you click on draggable it will be draggable, and if you will uncheck this it will not draggable. Okay, so not draggable, even not for desktop. If you will click on click through, it will realize that there is nothing here, because you can easily work on that. So it will be stayed here. not move from this place. So for the time being we want to move it from here to here, but we will do it later. First of all, we will download all plugins. Okay, the second thing was and the central rotators, or we can say gears. Unfortunately I have forgot where I have got this link where I have downloaded, but I have the pack. So the pack is provided in the source folder on description bar. The link is given in the description bar. You can easily download this pack and just need to copy this pack and go to your documents and settings and click on documents. Go to the Rainmeter folder, which is created automatically by Rainmeter. Open the skins and click on paste. Very simple method, very nice. Okay, so now we'll open. You can see that nothing happens here, so we will simply just click on refresh all, and you can see that and the folder which we have copied there. So just open this. It have so many things, like it have clock. Let me open this, and it gears and links and locks and spins. It have 7 spins I think, and 6 spins, and weather and winner, but we will use only gears for my choice. Load gears. So the same thing is we can see that applied here. It's clicked draggable already. So we'll minimize this and simply we will click this arc, but unfortunately we have already unchecked the draggable thing. So we will close the 7 special and we will open arc and arcs and click uncheck the click throw and click on draggable. Minimize this, click and drag it right in this circle where it looks best. I think it looks more interesting here. Great, but not so cool. Great. Oops, I think nice. Okay, so we'll open this and simply just uncheck the draggable and click on click throw, and it's already snapped to edges and save position. The snap to edges means if you want to make it in grid, it will automatically grid it like this. It will not customed. So click on snap to edge and just close this and open the 70 special and click on rotators. Just minimize this, pay attention on draggable checked. So we will click and drag it right in this. You can see that it is snap to edged, so it is not correctly set it up. So we will try to fix it, like I think it's much better here. A little bit downside. Okay, so I think it's much nice. Okay, so it's looks great. You can see that. So we click on click throw and uncheck the draggable and snap to edges is checked. Now the second thing is, if you want that if we take our cursor on this, it should fade in or fade out. We will just simply change the transparency to 50%. You can see that it's now faded in, and we will click on fade in. So it's now in 50%. Now when we will click take our cursor on on this gear, it will automatically lighten up to 100%. So if you want to need that it should be fade out, so it's now in 100%, but when you will take your cursor on this, it will automatically fade it in. So we'll click on fade out, and the position should be about on desktop, or it will stay on desktop only, and I think it should be normal. Topmost means when you will click on this topmost, when we'll open this, Oh, nothing happened. So I don't know what in this thing bullshit. So just close this up. We'll just use only position for normal. So we'll close it up, up and up. So hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Basically this is I like these type of things to do with my desktop, with my PC. So the next tutorial is will be for how we can design a wallpaper for Animator. Thank you for watching this tutorial. Please subscribe to our channel, give us your suggestions, and ask any question. Feel free to ask, and see you in our next video. Thanks and take care and be happy. Keep smiling.